We'll click the next button to go to the contacts. And this is where you'll be putting in the landowner's last name and their FOResT ID. And we've done this to basically, we did not want to have everyone's names and contact information available to everyone. We wanted to make sure that whoever was seeing a person's information was somebody who was, participating or legitimately needs to see the information because they're going to be participating in a notification. So that's why, you need the last name and the FOResT ID, and then you would click this Find Landowner. And it's gonna, if it didn't find it, it would ask you to put in, double check your information and try again. In this situation, just for a demo, I've set up other, I'll call them test or dummy Gmail accounts for these demos. If you found that this wasn't the right person, you could remove them here. But for now, we'll just keep them as this is the right landowner. And then this is sort of bridging over to some of the landowner report requirements, but we have these two questions about how many acres a landowner owns in Maine, and then what is their ownership type. And again, there's these little information icons that will provide further information on what do we mean by a non-industrial land or private woodlot, as well as these other ownership types. Scrolling down, I started this notification as a designated agent, so my information is presented here. Then we also have to enter a harvester operator. Even though they both have the same name, the landowner and operator are different. Let's see, the FOResT ID for this. And you'll click Find Harvester Operator. And it'll list them here. Again, you can remove them if you need to. And then if you had a licensed forester involved, you could put them here as well with their last name and FOResT ID. So that finishes the contacts information page